Hi friends, in the serene silence of Shabarimala, as the night embraces the holy hills, one divine song fills the air, Harivarasanam, known as Lullaby of Lord Ayyappa. It has become the sacred song, sung every night before the temple doors close. But how did Harivarasanam become Lord Ayyappa's sleeping song? The story begins with Kambangudi Kulathur Srinivasa Iyer, a humble devotee who composed this soulful prayer more than a century ago. Each verse describes the beauty, the virtues, and the divinity of Lord Ayyappa, putting the Lord himself into a state of calm, eternal rest. At Shabarimala, the tradition of singing Harivarasanam started many decades ago. Every night, after the day's final puja, the temple doors close with this melodious hymn. Devotees believe it is not just a song, but a lullaby, a way of offering rest to Lord Ayyappa after a day filled with the prayers of millions. The song reached millions when the legendary playback singer K.J. Yeshudas rendered it in the 1975 Malayalam film Swami Ayyappan. His soulful voice made Harivarasanam immortal, turning into the anthem of Ayyappa devotees across the world. For devotees, Harivarasanam is more than a lullaby. It symbolizes surrender, offering the day's prayers, struggles and victories at the feet of Lord Ayyappa and leaving the temple in divine peace. It is said that as the song resonates in the hills, the Lord himself rests, and the entire Shabarimala forest sleeps in silence. From a simple prayer to a nightly ritual, Harivarasanam has become the eternal sleeping song of Lord Ayyappa. And for millions of devotees, it is a reminder that true devotion is not in asking, but in surrendering with love. Thank you for watching.